Hello again everybody. So today we have a Squire padlock, a Squire Stronglock number 39. Comes with this plastic cover which slides around too much, so we'll lose that straight away. So we are a 50mm laminated padlock, nice and heavy, looks the part until you start trying to get into it, so not a particularly taxing keyway. Bitting on the keys, nothing special, so all works fine. So first of all, let's try giving it a little rake. And there we go. Not exactly difficult. Let's have a go at SPP'ing it. So we go in, fairly heavy tension. We're only talking 4 pins. And I must admit it does normally open quicker than this. Start again. So normally fairly heavy tension. I mean, there's one click, click. I think the biggest problem with this is the amount of spring tension on the core. Apart from that, I did actually try bypassing this, and I can get that locking ball to move, but it's just not quite far enough. But we don't need to bother with that either, because let's get it locked up properly. There we go. We can pop in because there's only the single locking ball. So for quite an impressive lock, not quite so impressive to stop anybody getting in. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.